Oh, damn.
What you doing, boy?
What's up, man? Oh, man, I'm just watching a little bit of Bottom Myers right now, man.
This is shit, hoe.
Bitch, you a hoe.
Can y'all bitches shut up, please?
Oh,
Where you going,
hey,
buddy?
what's up, man? What you want?
When's the next cooking video?
Cooking video. I mean, what are you feeling, though? Like,
Man, I want some Mexican food.
you want some Mexican food? I'm not gonna lie, I love Mexican food, too, but I know why you want Mexican food. This dude, he loves the thick Latino. So what y'all feeling today?
Tacos way.
You heard the black man making tacos today, baby. You ready?
Oh yeah.
He's been ready, because you know how
Look
long...
at him.
Fuck. Something like this.
Don't put that in. This nigga has working fine.
Just like, Alright, welcome. Let me turn the lights on real quick. Give me 1 second. I don't know.
Yeah, that helped a lot.
I need to aim it that way.
You're short.
Oh, don't break it now. You gotta like actually grab it from.
Oh,
I got it. Hold up. Oh shit. Have you seen that one black? The video you sent me, the little black kid humping like this. You know what I'm talking about? Bro,
his balls hit my back.
Oh, the video I'm talking about. I'll put it right. Christian, put it right here.
Don't make me on my gun here.
Bro, my mom's gonna watch this video. Your mom? Are you gonna show your mom the video?
No.
Okay. Welcome back to another Cocinando with Christian. I'm here with my boy Bro. Just like last
Hola.
time. And my cousin behind the camera, show yourself. Bro got longer hair than me.
Oh, you're not supposed to
You look like, come here. A little mullet, bro. Should look greasy too.
Hey, babe.
No, I'm just playing though. Bro, I'll be shampooing like once a week. I'm not crazy for that.
It's more like once a year for me, but you know.
That ass?
No.
What I say? Anyways, today, as you can see, we got the ingredients right here. You guys don't have to go to the store with us because we got a pastor. Oh, and this.
It's not that many ingredients. He forgot to tortilla, so we're eating just the meat.
Wait, what you said? Wait, what did you say? I didn't hear
You
you.
forgot the tortillas.
Oh, see, I told you I have the salsa here. We went to. Oh, you're still recording? We went to Morelos. This is the best salsa right here. But we finna make our own salsa because we're beaners here. Yes, that black man is a beaner too. Check him out.
Ain't no beaner like
Yes, you are. Because this dude, he loves his thick Latinas. Any thick Latinas watching, you got my boy right here. You want that BBC? You got it.
Make sure you don't put that in.
Alright, so we got the ingredients out. Just need some water real quick. We're also going to make some salsas, some salsa verde. As you can see, my little ingredients right here. Cameraman, come here. Come closer. Don't be shy. So you got aguacate, little chile verdes, I don't know the name, tomate verde, y cilantro.
I'm gonna tell you something.
What's up, buddy?
Those are the saddest ingredients I've seen.
What's that? Oh, ingredients. Oh,
This is a good old. And like I said last time,
wash your fucking hands. Oh, buddy.
I'm about to eat this damn.
you don't even know what this is. It's probably dog pellets.
Why would he have dog pellets when he doesn't even have a damn dog?
Feed it too pretty.
That don't smell like Cocoa Puffs.
What does it smell like?
Not Cocoa Puffs.
Why? Let me see.
The off-brand ones.
Oh, they're off-brand ones.
Oh, no. No. Nah, she might be dog better.
It don't smell like Cocoa Puffs.
Oh, I don't know if that is. No, that's Cocoa Puffs.
Why would it be in like a treat box or treat?
Cause like, bro, don't you see like we put it in containers?
It's whatchamacallit, that you said.
Off-brand?
Yeah, it's just off-brand. I know, because we used to get the off-brand.
Yeah, but it would at least smell like somewhat.
Not the off-brand, dude.
What, this?
The apron.
This dude did not just ask me if I stole my apron from Zaxby's. Does it say Zaxby's on it? So right now I got the tomatoes and the peppers, the little chiles, my bad. Boy, you gotta boil them before you put them to blend with the rest of the ingredients for the salsa verde. I'm saying this like I know shit.
She don't know what you're doing.
She don't know what she's saying.
God damn it, don't show them the eye.
Right here I got pastor. We got it marinated already because these dudes pulled up at like 7:30 p.m.
Yeah, we're kind of short on time today.
So next time, next video, in the future, I don't know when, I'll actually cook up the adobo and everything to mix it up, marinate it myself. But for now, we just want something fast. We almost went to Korean barbecue. We almost ditched this video.
Maybe we should have gone to Korean barbecue.
We still finna eat good. You hear that? Like that? Slap it real quick.
Yeah, after 34 hours.
Y'all want to slap it real quick? All right, cameraman's taking a little break eating.
He big. He big.
And yes, I washed my hands already. Let's put some meat already. Over IHOP.
That's actually how. Okay, well.
IHOP is good, but
IHOP ain't what it used to be, but I prefer it over Waffle House.
Waffle House is actually pretty damn good.
No, the hell it's not. It's ghetto and they always fighting in there.
Man, he's talking about this video right here.
Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle?
You know what y'all talking about? There's a video of the guy was like, "Can I get my waffle?" Some bitches getting beat. Oh shit.
She can get it too.
Carol G. Carol G, if you're watching this, I know you got a man's fade. I don't know if that's how you say his name, but I love you.
Oh shit, I done dropped the lime in there.
He doesn't play it.
I was about to say that.
This motherfucker left the stem on there.
You just call me a nigga.
Oh,
You're
that's
canceled.
what I did last time.
He left the stem.
Use a flavor, bitch.
He just called me a nigger.
You got salt?
Do I have salt?
I mean, you gonna put salt?
Oh, shit. I was like, who doesn't have salt in their house? Pepper? Oh, yeah. What's your thing?
That should be good for now.
I don't know. I can't tell. It's all like.
I mean, blend it up and then you'll taste it.
It's just grounded. It's not. What's your name? Limo.
Boy, what the hell is it?
Limo. Samo.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say that. Something.
Don't be shy.
Man, you acting like the white folks. There we go.
What'd you say?
You acting like the white folks.
I didn't say it. The black man did.
Don't break the damn thing now.
Oh,
The fuck are you?
Flip it.
wait. And then. What the fuck?
Yeah, your dumb ass don't know how to put it on either.
You. Shut your ass up. Here you go.
Deja vu.
Chicken over here.
Very hot. You mean its temperature? Oh, you just shoved it in there.
Oh yeah, I cut it up.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, nigga.
Alright, we got our salsa done, finally. Alright, so we're gonna put it in here real quick, make it look fancy. It's not fancy, but we'll try to make it look fancy around here. A little bit. Bro, hold up. I'm gonna do what I did last time. Remember, take this out, bro.
Oh.
Remember? You like that, Carlos? You like that? Carlos. Let's just put it together. I'm sorry, bro. I'll stop. I promise. Yeah, here's our little salsa. We put a lot of cilantro in it because. Wait, what are
Somebody only bought one avocado.
I thought I had more avocados here, bro. But anyways, cilantro. What is cilantro good for, like vitamin wise?
Man, I just eat it. Don't ask me what's good.
All right, we got a little salsa right here. I'm putting on the table.
Should that be the thumbnail?
This shit
That should look good. Lord have mercy. I'm about to bust some
Looks good.
I didn't even record it.
It's not like a double. All right, this is the second batch right here. But yeah, no, we got our first batch right here. It's all ready and still put up.
Yeah, that's like 3 tacos to me. Jump in there.
For real, bro.
I don't know why you do it one by one, like motherfucker.
So right now I'm making some chicken tacos. I have some chicken marinated, and my mom doesn't like to eat pork, so I'm making her some chicken tacos real quick. We got the chicken focus. Got the chicken cooking right here for my mama. get you a man that can cook like me. No, I'm just playing, bro. I'm not a cook like that. I'm training right now, though. This is what I'm doing, bro. I'm training. But yeah, get back to y'all once we form the tacos. The sauce is over there. We're just waiting for this to cook up. We got some right here. Let me try some real quick. We'll get back to y'all.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Meat's finally finished after like 2 hours. And yeah, even though we bought it pretty, I'm not gonna lie, we didn't cut up little cebollitas and cilantro. That's what I'm saying. We forgot, kind of, and we just want to eat already. So I'm just eating with salsa. It's gonna bust.
Still gonna hit.
Still gonna hit, cause right now we all took an edible too, so this finna hit.
Who took an edible?
I'm just playing, bro. We don't do drugs around here. Stay sober for life, like D. Adrian Harden said. If he's watching, what's up, bro? Are you watching? He's not watching this. But stay sober. Yeah. And then one more step.
It's the only step we got.
I want to see take a little bite, a little food porn. I don't know if I can say that, but that's what it is. All right, Carlos, you ready for the moment of truth? I can't stop thinking about Carlos. Like Carlos, bro. I feel bad. I remember we were about to make a cooking video when he came, but like, I lost the fire. Like making a video, you just like have to have it in your mind. But anyways. I'm just.
It tastes like shit, huh?
What? No, I'm just. But it could be way better, bro.
If it has some
Pineapple?
Savoya?
Wait, what?
Yeah, if it has some cilantro.
Oh yeah, lucky the cilantro, but there's like no pineapple. There's one little pineapple right there, bro. We should have bought, cause right, I was gonna marinate and do everything myself, and I was gonna buy pieces of pineapple, but it was just too late, so I just bought.
You sweating?
This dude's sweating, bro. Boy, always be sweating. I always be sweating too. It's not bad to sweat, bro. You sweat a little bit here, a little bit there, in the bed, in the gym, anywhere. You sweat anywhere, bro. Let me just take another bite. It's actually good though.
Right out of 10.
I was about to do that. I give this 7 tacos out of 7. Is that how you say it? 7 tacos out of 7. I give this 7 tacos out of 7 because, bro, I'm telling you, this could be way much better. Look at this. Show again. This is like plain, bro. It's only sauce on there.
It's a little sad, but
for real. But I mean, it's still good though.
I'm about to fuck up like 10 of them.
This dude still has an 8. He's about to eat. Alright, we'll come back to y'all later once the aftermath. Alright. How you guys doing? The aftermath is I cleaned everything up already. The Dills went home. Hope you guys made it home safe. Daniel, Rashawn, I love you. Thank y'all for helping me with the video. But the aftermath, we just messed the tacos up and talked about a lot of stuff. That was the aftermath. But yeah, made some tacos. I wish like, oh yeah, my rating for the tacos, I'll give them like, I want to say like a 6 or 7 out of 10. I realized I said 7 out of 7. I don't know what the hell I was saying, but I rated like a 6.5 out of 10. Like, cause you saw they were so plain. It was literally just a tortilla, the meat, and the salsa. In the future, I'll actually like I'll come back to make al pastor, but I'll like make it like from scratch. I'll make the adobo myself, and marinate it, leave it to marinate. Whip it out, whip my meat out, pause, and cook it up, bro. Cause all we did, we just went to go buy the like pre-marinated food and meat or whatever. But yeah, that was cooking. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I think this video is gonna be low-key short. I'm about to start editing right now, but I'm just getting a head start. It's like 2 in the morning right now. And that's the reason why we didn't make it from scratch. At first I was gonna make it from scratch, but bro, but yeah, the reason like we didn't make it from scratch anymore was because my friends, they had to get out of work late. By the time they got to my house, it was like about to be 8. So it's just like, bro, I just made up my mind. I was like, bro, we'll just buy it pre-made and pre-marinated for next time. Next time I cook al pastor, I'll make it from scratch. I had all the ingredients ready, bro. I had all the ingredients, bro. Like, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you liked the video. If you want to see me cook something, bro, let me know what you want me to see cook. But yeah, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. When's the next video gonna be? I don't know. But I love y'all. Stay safe. I was about to say stay clear. The hell does that mean, bro? I love y'all. Take care. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Wait, real quick, before the video ends, I'm gonna put little bloopers real quick. The little skit we were doing at the beginning, bro. Bro, my dumbass kept laughing, bro. So I'm gonna put that here real quick. So this time for real. Peace out. I'll see y'all. Oh,
what are you doing, boy?
Oh, man.
What are you doing, boy?
Oh, I'm actually watching By the Mars right now.
This is shit, hoe.
Bitch, you a hoe. Okay? Not me.
Where are you going, buddy? Sit there.
Oh, hey, what's up, bro? What you want?
When's the next cooking video?
Cooking video. I mean, what y'all feeling though?
I want some Mexican food.
Some Mexican. I mean, I know why you want Mexican food. This dude loves thick. I'm even talking about thick Latinas. Torta. Remember the torta video we did? But didn't we just make a Mexican dish? I swear we just did.
About a year ago, buddy.
A year ago. Oh, I still couldn't come up with anything. Oh man. Stop recording.
That part was good though.
Where are you going, buddy? Sit
hey,
down.
what's up? Fuck, you suck.
Where are you going, buddy?
Whoa,
Sit
whoa,
down.
hey, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? What's up?
When's the next cooking video, buddy?
Cooking video. Oh, damn. I mean, what do you even want to eat, bro?
I thought you were supposed to bring the camera over here.
Yeah, well, I was gonna bring it slowly.
You get
Oh,
like at the same time.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Where you going, buddy?
Hey, what's up, man? What you? Fuck. Oh man. Oh,
where you going, buddy?
What's up, man? Oh. This dude.
Where you going, buddy?
Oh, hey, what's up, man? What you want?
When's the next cooking video?
Cooking video. I mean, what are you feeling?
Man, I want some Mexican food.
Mexican food. I know why you want Mexican food. You love them. He loves them thick. Oh, fuck. Bro,